Hi, in front of me I have Lenovo Phab 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it, let's just tap on this icon right here, and then tap the settings icon here. Once in settings, let's scroll down and tap on the security. Here let's scroll down, and as you can see, we have a unknown sources option right here, and we can turn it on by just tapping the slider next to it, like that, and then tapping OK to confirm. And that's how you enable the installation of applications from unknown sources on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.